Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to do a fun song called Woodpecker. All you need are something to use as your rhythm sticks. I've chosen to use wooden spoons. Be creative. Come up with anything you think might work to be able to tap together. We're going to tap some rhythms to the song Woodpecker. Here we go. Peck out a rhythm and go you. Woodpecker, woodpecker, knocking on a tree. Peck out a rhythm and we'll play it too. Woodpecker, he said. All together we play. Woodpecker, he say. All together we play. Woodpecker, woodpecker, knocking on a tree. Peck out a rhythm and we'll echo you. Woodpecker, woodpecker, knocking on a tree. Peck out a rhythm and we'll play it too. Woodpecker, he say. All together we play. Woodpecker, he say. All together we play. Woodpecker, woodpecker, knocking on a tree. Peck out a rhythm and we'll echo you. Woodpecker, woodpecker, knocking on a tree. Peck out a rhythm and we'll play it too. Peck out a rhythm and we'll play it too.